Hi, my name is Chris Wade, and I am a contractor from the city of Los Angeles. And today I'm going to show you how to clean wall tiles in the bathroom. Here we are in our shower walls. As you may know, shower walls can get mildewy, moldy, and just generally icky. If you take some warm water, whether it be vinegar, peroxide, or any non-chlorine product or cleaning product, dilute it 50-50 with some warm water, spray it on here. Take just any common household sponge, do your cleaning. Wipe, any of those areas that need a little bit of extra elbow grease, go ahead and apply that. Just, hit the grout anywhere, get the corners, come across here, the tub if you have to, just anywhere you need to go. And then you just take your clean sponge, dip it in some warm, clean water, come across, just get all that icky residue off of there from the cleaning. If you have to do it twice, do it twice. If you have to do it 3 times, do it 3 times. But whatever you do, just keep your maintenance up each and every week in a shower. Just get your wiping done. It doesn't have to be dry. Just get all the residue off of there. And again, any maintenance that you take care of a couple times a week is going to prevent any buildup of a residue or mold or just any ickiness in a shower. Doesn't take that much to do it. And that's how you do it.